When we talk about AI replacing jobs, most people think of factory workers or data entry roles. But the truth is, AI is moving much faster and into jobs we never expected. In 2023, BuzzFeed laid off staff and began using AI to write listicles and quizzes. CNET, a respected tech site, quietly published AI-written finance articles until readers spotted serious errors. But not all companies are hiding it. Klarna, the global payment giant, replaced 700 support agents with an AI chatbot. That handles 2/3 of all customer service interactions, cutting wait times by 50% and improving customer satisfaction. Hollywood actors went on strike to stop studios from using AI to clone their voices and faces. Because the change isn't just coming, it's already here. Let's explore how AI is already taking over jobs you never thought it could. AI isn't just disrupting the usual suspects, it's creeping into roles that once felt uniquely human. In 2022, an artist named Jason Allen won first prize at the Colorado State Fair with an artwork generated by Midjourney, an AI tool. Human painters were outraged, but judges had no idea it was made by a machine. In education, Khan Academy launched an AI tutor called Khanmigo, powered by GPT-4. It doesn't just give answers, it guides students step by step, like a personal tutor. Some schools are already testing it to replace live tutoring sessions. In publishing, NewsGPT became the first fully AI-generated news platform. It can write, edit, and publish entire news reports without a single human journalist. It never sleeps. It never asks for vacation. In music, an anonymous creator named Ghostwriter977 released an AI-generated song using cloned vocals of Drake and The Weeknd. It went viral, millions of streams before being pulled for copyright. Still, it proved a chilling point. AI doesn't need a record label. In medicine, Google's MedPalm 2 scored expert-level performance on medical exam questions. It's now being trialed in real hospitals, helping doctors interpret symptoms, test results, and even patient conversations. Not replacing physicians, but getting very, very close. And in sales, ZoomInfo integrated AI to write sales emails and analyze lead data, automating tasks that used to take entire departments. One company cut its inside sales team by 40% after integrating the system. These aren't experiments anymore. They're active rollouts with real business incentives behind them. Faster, cheaper, scalable. And while some of these tools are designed to assist, they're already doing the work in fewer hands for less pay. The question now isn't when AI will change your industry, but whether you'll be using it or being replaced by it. If this opened your eyes, stay ahead. Hit subscribe now because AI isn't slowing down, and neither are we. Forward with AI, exposing the shift you didn't see coming.